Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Today I'm doing quick tips in the kitchen from the Ginger Optimist. Let's watch. You probably noticed I have a chicken sitting here. This is a rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club. Yes, I do make my own, but there's times when you're going to be in a hurry that when you purchase $4.99 a rotisserie chicken at Sam's Club or Costco or Walmart. I don't know if they cost the same at those places, but it's so amazing what you can do with it. I am going to make chicken tacos today, and I will leave a link for my black bean salsa where you can watch that. And I also will leave a link where you can watch how to make a rotisserie chicken in the Instant Pot. But today we are just going to de-skin and debone this chicken. Got my gloves on because y'all know I do not like my fingers getting icky. So I'm just gonna pull this skin right off. And this chicken has cooled down, so you don't have to worry about me burning my fingers. So yeah, you get a phone call and somebody says, hey, I'm gonna be coming over, and you're thinking, oh great, what am I going to feed them? If you can run to Costco or Sam's Club or one of those places, pick up a rotisserie chicken, you can take it off the bone, you can use it for taco meat. I know it's not a Mexican flavor, but when you add like a kickin' guacamole, you can add the black bean salsa or regular salsa, whatever you want to, and it's gonna take it up a notch and make it more like taco flavor. So this is just a quick and easy way to do that. But you can also do this if you're in a hurry and you want chicken salad. You can break up this chicken and make a quick chicken salad, or the ideas are endless, whatever it is you want to do. So I want to encourage you, think of other ways that you can use your chicken and leave me comments down below. What is something you would make with a rotisserie chicken? One of my favorite things is chicken sandwiches. These make divine sandwiches. Now I've got my shredded chicken. I've heated some up on this plate, and we're gonna put our taco together. Such a quick, easy, and delicious lunch. So good. This is just a quick tip from the Ginger Optimist for when you're in a hurry and you need an amazing lunch. Thanks for watching, my friend. Be watching for more quick kitchen tips by the Ginger Optimist. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.